Companies like Starbucks and Disney, whose leaders at one point had been fiercely critical of President Trump on issues like immigration and climate change, have since been what appears to be silently endorsing him following the new tax legislation. Here's why this matters. During the campaign, then Starbucks CEO Howard Schultz was one of Trump's most vocal critics. He vowed to hire 10,000 refugees in response to the proposed immigration ban and doubled down on the company's investment in Mexico. And Disney CEO Bob Iger publicly quit Trump's advisory council after the president withdrew from the Paris Climate Agreement, calling it a matter of principle. But recently, both companies have announced bonuses for workers and additional employee benefits, nodding specifically to changes in the tax law. And these companies are not alone. Several other corporations, whose leaders were once critical of the president as well, are also rewarding their employees with financial bonuses as a result of the legislation. There's no denying that most companies benefit both internally and externally by handing out bonuses. It's certainly a good PR move. But it's hard not to read the mentions of tax reform as congratulatory, as the president certainly is. And it appears the business leaders in Davos are equally pleased with the president's business-friendly policies. But the bonuses aren't really all that significant, amounting to about $1.4 billion, a fraction of what these companies are saving. Plus, most of these companies are opting for bonuses in lieu of increasing wages, though some, like Walmart, are doing both. Basically, they're making a one-time expense that they won't regret later, and more likely than not, will use the rest of their newfound wealth to line the pockets of shareholders. The moves by these companies bode well for company morale and retention, but it's hard not to question their motives. What's more, it feels like a silent endorsement by executives who certainly did not endorse Trump, but are happy to profit off of his policymaking.